y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, today I'm trying out one of Outre's color bomb wigs. I haven't tried one of their color bomb wigs, I feel like, since 2020. What the heck? Has it been 2020? That's 2 years, and they've had a lot of color bomb units come out, so I'm trying this one out today. I got the color 3DR4/chestnut brown ombre. Chestnut ombre. And it's like pretty much a brown color. I like color, but when you say color, what do you mean? I like brown or red, and most of the time if it's brownish, then I mean like I can do like a highlighted blonde just a little bit, and if it's like an ash blonde, then it's like gotta be like highlights. Or if it's red, I usually like deeper red. The vibrant colors I haven't necessarily got there yet, so I'm afraid to try those. But we got this one in chestnut ombre, so let's just pop it open and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the chestnut ombre looks like. So it starts off from like this chestnut brown. It's a lighter color brown, and then it fades into the darker black. More my vibe. That's what I mean when I say I'll try some color. Bright colors. I'm trying to get there, y'all, bear with me, but I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. This is the type of lace space that you're going to get. It is a right side part, so you can't be versatile with that in terms of switching the side of the part. You get like a wide part like right here in the middle, but you don't necessarily get a whole bunch of lace space to like pluck it out. So that's where we're going to have to be a little bit creative to make the wig look less wiggy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the adjustable straps because the space on this wig seems pretty big, just from eyeballing it, and I feel like I can tell just because I've been wearing wigs for so long. So I'm going to go ahead and make it tighter. And I use the cross method. I usually just cross my bands in the back to make it more snug. Also, little tip, when you do that cross method with your adjustable straps, it really helps with using less glue or less holding products on your wig, because it makes it more of a snug fit, so that way your wig won't be sliding and gliding and easily falling off of your head.
Nothing lose control, you got the fire control, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me, bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it, bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that.
So as you can see, it is a little bit more pale around this hairline, and if I get any closer, I'll start cutting out some pieces that I don't want to cut out. So this is where the makeup will come into hand. I'm going to use a little bit of my bronzer powder across the hairline just to blend that into my skin tone. I use my Fenty Cocoa Naughty powder. And as you can see, that white lace that was once showing is pretty much disappeared now.
Really wanna test man for it, bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling.
I'm going to use my hot comb, and I'm using it on a low setting of 1 through 5 because it is a synthetic wig. We don't want to burn these fibers.
Nothing lose control, you got the fire control, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me, bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it, bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that feeling. Wine for me girl, she a wine for me man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. I on a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. I them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me that healing.
This is cute. Alright, let me go and put on my makeup. But you guys can see all the other colors that this unit comes in. It comes in a bunch of different shades. In case you want to have a little bit of fun with your hair color. That reverse ombre. Okay guys, so here is the finished installation process. I'm trying to like play with a little more of these few scragglies. I felt like when I was brushing it out a little bit, it was tangling up some. So just keep that in mind that you probably are going to get a few tangles here and there. But for the most part though, no shedding, even though I have brushed it out 2 times now, and I've also combed it out 1 time. So even through those 3 steps, no shedding at all. The color though, can we get into the color? The color is beautiful. I love the reverse ombre. This lighter color at the top is a vibe, and then fading into the black light. Let me find out. I'm gonna need me a little second of this. So I'm gonna need you, Outre, because if you watch this video, when you're gonna see this video, I need you to release one like with the melted hairline, or with the perfect hairline, or with your 360 blends. I'm about to get into another one, but I'm gonna need you to release some of those with this color. Like, let's collab the color bomb colors with melted hairline and whatnot, because this color is gorgeous. I need this in other forms of wigs. Like, it's really pretty. So when I was younger, I felt like I always wanted my parting space to be on the left side, because I'm left-handed. But I've gotten to the point now where I can wear my wigs anyway, middle, right, left, it doesn't matter. I love it. So I actually don't mind that this one is a right side part wig. But if you guys don't like right side part wigs, then this might not be the unit for you, because it is strictly on the right side. These curls were tight when they came out of the packaging, but you know me, I brushed them out to get them a little bit more loose, because that's more of my vibe than tighter curls. The overall density of this wig is really nice as well. Can we also speak on the fact that it's glueless? I didn't use anything to hold this wig in place. Like I told you guys at the beginning, I used the adjustable straps in the back, make it tighter, and it's the perfect fit. Big head friendly also. Like, it fits so good. I don't feel like this is going to move on anything. Like, it's gonna stay in place the whole time that I wear it. Let me show you guys what the back view looks like. Very much so giving, right? Okay, I'm not tripping. It's giving, right? But overall, guys, surprisingly, even though this is like one of the basic, more basic lace front wigs, because you don't have like a bunch of lace space to work with, I still give this wig a 10 out of 10. Like, I ain't have any issues with it. Like, it came out a lot better than I thought it was. I'm telling you guys, when I first saw it, I was like, I don't know what this is about to look like. I don't want it to look wiggy. I don't want it to look bad, but this looks good. I really like this wig. I'm just wanting to make sure that I keep this like a little bit more flat, but I don't know, y'all. This is it. This is it. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I would love to hear it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Outre for sending over today's wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something that give me